Season's greetings, fellow makers! In today's video, we will show you how to turn a piece of fleece into a cozy winter hat with absolutely no sewing. So let's gather the materials listed on the screen and let's get to making. Before cutting down your fabric, you want to measure the circumference of your head. Grab a soft measuring tape and wrap it around your head until the length of the measuring tape meets the end, and that's the size of your head. Once you have that measurement, add 6 inches, and that's the width you want to cut for your hat. For height, we use a standard 16 inches for adults and 14 inches for children. Once you have your felt cut out, fold it in half widthwise so the edges line up along the right and we have a nice crease to the left. From the edges on the right, use a ruler to measure 3 inches in on your fleece. Mark this 3-inch measurement from top to bottom with a piece of masking tape. Now, do the same for the top edge. Now that you have your tape down, you'll notice that they intersect in the top right corner to make a square. Use a pair of scissors to cut out that square. Now, we're ready to cut some fringe. Use that same pair of scissors and cut every ½ an inch through both layers of fabric on the right to make fringes all the way down the right-hand side. Next, we'll repeat this step for the top edge as well. Go ahead and cut strips through the fabric every ½ an inch. Once you have your fabric strips cut, feel free to remove the masking tape. Now, on the right-hand side, moving from one pair of strips to the next, tie the fleece strips together into a simple square knot. Repeat this step up the entire right-hand side. These knots will form the seam for the back of the hat. Now that the seam is complete, we're going to gather together all the strips along the top of the fleece to make a pom-pom. Leave out the pair of strips at the very end of the top right. We're going to use these 2 strips to tie together all the other strips to help make our pom-pom and hold it together. Once you've tied your pom-pom together, you may want to tug on the strips so the pom-pom looks nice and even. As a final step, all that's left is to roll your hat from the bottom 2 times, and there you have it, a perfectly cozy and stylish hat without the fuss of needles and thread. We hope you've enjoyed this Maker Mindset video. Have a happy holiday, and we'll see you again soon!